Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on some honey lime chicken, and right now I am trying to sear this. I took some, so you're going to have to allow yourself 12 to 24 hours for this recipe, because you're going to have to marinate, mix together a marinade. And I took some boneless, skinless thighs and did it instead of using some boneless, skinless breast. But you could use bone-in chicken too, it doesn't matter. So your marinade is going to consist of a quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, quarter cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of lime juice, 4 garlic cloves crushed, or you can use a couple of teaspoons of garlic powder, which is what I did, and a quarter cup of honey. So I mixed together enough for 2 batches of marinade, because I'm making 8. A whole big family pack of thighs. So right now I'm pan searing them, and I'm putting them on my grill pan to put them in the oven. You can grill them if you prefer. So we're going to put them in the oven for about, after we pan sear them, for supposed to be about 10 minutes. We'll see. We'll see about that. It may take a little bit longer. But you need to sear them first, best you can, and then put them in the oven, like I said, 400 degrees, 10 to 20 minutes. It just depends. You'll have to check them and make sure they're done. And I'm going to put some buttered noodles with it, which I've made before. So this whole entire video, unless I have to add to it, is going to be just the one meal. Real easy and simple. This stuff has been marinating for about 24 hours. So you can pair this with some teriyaki noodles or some buttered noodles. I'm just going to do butter because it's easier. But teriyaki would kind of go with an Asian theme. And it may even be a better idea since this is kind of Asian-y. But, you know, pretty easy, pretty simple. And I hope to get this done real quick and get this on the table as soon as possible. So as soon as I go to put these in the oven, I'll come right back. Okay, y'all, so these are done getting seared. I'm going to put them in the oven, 400 degrees, as soon as my oven's completely preheated. And check in a little while. I think it may take just a little bit longer than 10 minutes because these are not cooked all the way through. So anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes should be done. I want to watch them though so they don't get too dried out. And then after I get the pasta ready, I'm going to show you how to make buttered noodles once again, so that you can see the complete meal getting done. All right, I'll be back in a few. Okay, y'all, so buttered noodles is pretty simple. You need 6 tablespoons of butter. I use real butter. I don't use margarine. And you're going to go ahead and get that melted in your pan. And you'll have already cooked your pasta, which it needs to either be fettuccine, linguine, or spaghetti noodles. And I have spaghetti, so we're going to put that in here. You're going to need 1 pound of cooked pasta out of one of those 3 choices: fettuccine, linguine, or spaghetti. And then you're just going to, it's really, 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 really easy. I'm going to stir all this up. And you know what? I'm going to put just a teeny bit more. It says 6 tablespoons, but we'll put a little bit more in here. And it won't take long at all to melt. Stir this up. And it's just a simple little side dish. Really, really easy. Okay? And then you're going to add 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to add just a little bit extra. I'm just going to stir it up. You can turn your burner off because you don't need it anymore. Okay. And that's it. I'm gonna add a healthy dose of pepper and some salt. Got some kosher salt here. About a half a teaspoon or so. Don't want to make it too salty. Hopefully I didn't. And that's it. It's ready to serve. So let me get this plated up and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with dinner tonight. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. I made the pasta. I put the chicken on top. You don't have to do that. And I made a salad. Complete meal. Very cheap. Doesn't cost much at all. And you can, of course, leave the salad off and add a can of green beans or something if you prefer that. Or some maybe frozen corn on the cob. But that's it. Really easy, really simple. Perfect for somebody that is on a budget. We used what we had. And we were able to get supper done tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.